Hello everybody, today we're going to be making a very special or niche dessert. It's called helbe in Arabic, but I guess we can translate that to fenugreek in English. So first you're going to get your fenugreek, I don't know, seeds. And you're going to want to soak them in warm or room temperature water for an entire day to get rid of the hardness. The next day, look how much they expanded. It's not like chia seeds, not to the extent of chia seeds, but definitely it will change its shape a little bit. You're going to strain it out of that old water, put it in new boiling hot water, and let that sit on the heat. Then you're going to get 3 cups of coarse semolina, as well as 1 cup of flour, and some erythritol and monk sugar. You could also use normal sugar, baking powder, yeast, and fenugreek powder. I thought it was pretty funny that we're going through all this and we still have to put like the fenugreek dry ingredients in, even though we're doing the dry ingredients from scratch. Then you're going to add 1 whole cup of olive oil and some ghee. At this point, you can start mixing with your hands, and then you're going to add in the fenugreek seeds in a little bit. But yeah, you're just gonna mix it around, and this part seemed super fun, honestly. And this dish is native to the Palestinian, Jordanian, and Syrian area. I've never actually heard of it until my mom told us about it, because it's something she grew up on and her family ate a lot, although my dad's family didn't eat it ever. So she kind of just like showed up like one day, like, oh, surprise, as if like we should have known what it was and that we should have been like, oh my gosh, I love it, but we didn't even know what it was. So I just found that pretty funny. So maybe you can add this to one of your like family dessert traditions if you end up liking it a lot. But yeah, so once you've gotten that all mixed and incorporated, you're going to want to move that to a separate pan and flatten it out and cut it into, or it's not going to be perfect squares, but make a little checkerboard pattern, kind of like how you would cut brownies. And then you're going to put that in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit and keep an eye on it until it becomes ahmish, which means it becomes a little bit golden brown and it forms a crust on the outside. And the same thing with the rest of your batch. My mom is actually going to, so you end up coating both of these, this dry part with syrup at the end. One pan she's going to be using syrup with normal sugar, and the other pan is going to be with the quote-unquote healthy sugar, the erythritol and monk. So whoever in my family is on a diet or who wants to eat healthy can eat from the healthy one, and whoever is a normal sane human can eat from the normal one. So, she's just accommodating to all of our preferences, which I do appreciate, but I'm not gonna lie when I say that the normal one will be gone quicker. But hey, she's still showing you how to make it the healthy way. So first you're going to add 2 cups of the monk fruit sweetener, and then equal parts boiling water. So if you added 3, you'd add 3 cups of boiling water. And then you're going to mix that a little bit to get the dissolving process started and finished as well. And keep that on the heat as well while you're doing this. Add a few drops of lemon juice as well to the sugar syrup. That actually makes it sweeter. And then you're going to just go ahead and pour that straight into your pans of the helbe. Just drown it, honestly, because it's going to soak it up. So you just want to keep adding. So yeah, I believe the one on the left is the healthy syrup we just showed you how to make. and then the one on the right is going to be the normal sugar syrup, and that would work in the same exact way with the water. So you would just add your 2 cups of cane sugar and 2 cups of boiling water. So yeah, don't just add it and then like assume it'll go down. Like, look how quickly it soaked up all of the syrup. I love how she put the the scared face on the sugar. No, guys, the normal one tastes better, trust me. And then this is my grandma and my grandpa eating theirs. I think my grandma got a little bit angry. She only got 1 piece, but in the end, they both loved it because it was super good. And we hope you guys enjoy this dish. Happy helving! Bye!